TRX, we start with monthly charges. I want to give a quick update, but before we start to look at the chart, I want to highlight something that what's the all-time high for the TRX, okay? Because if we refer to this chart, this is the chart for the heat BTC, okay? Based on heat BTC on 2018, the highest price we get is somewhere around 45 or above that, exactly as 45 cent, all right? This is what we had. But if we refer to the other charts, other exchanges, and even the Queen market cap on 2018, as what we can see here, 2018, all right, exactly here, the highest price we get somewhere around 20 and 21 cent. Then which one is the correct, 20 or 21 or 45 cent? Because if you consider the price for the XRP as a all-time high was a 20 on 2018 was a 45 cent. Then at this point we have like at the currently the price is somewhere around 20. Okay, this is we have another 25 cent the full price to tag all-time high. But if we refer to the Queen market cap and other charts on 2018, the price of the TRX was at 20 cent, 21 cent. Then exactly the price is at all-time high. All right. And even on last time, somewhere between 2021, all right, the price of the XRP was the highest one was somewhere around 819 cent. All right, exactly 819, 0.185. Okay. Then what's the all-time high? This is the question. This is for those who trade TRX. Okay, they can comment it which one we need to consider, 45 or 21 cent. All right, because here we see 2021. Okay, then because it make a big difference, because if the all-time high was 45 cent, then we have a lot of them, I mean huge gap for the price to take all-time high. If not, then we have to, I mean, if the all-time high was 2021, then at this point we have to make a decision, right? Whether we should sell, keep, or buy. Okay, this is the things. Then we go and see what we have been looking for the charts, and based on this chart, we can consider the all-time highs of 45 cent because on 2018 exactly, I was looking at the chart for the heat BTC. On heat BTC for the TRX, I could see the price was somewhere around 40, 45 cent, but at that time I didn't check other charts. And based on what we have here, since the price was within this move, we have been looking for 18, 23, following by 29 cent. Okay, we see the breakout of the 18, then with the breakout of the 2021, we can look for 23, 29, then we can look for 40, 45 cent. But at this point, we need to come up what's the all-time high, 21 or 45 cent. Anyway, for me, I'm expecting for to see the breakout of the 29 cent, and then if we move to lower time frame, and even if we refer to our analysis, after we get with this drop, we come up with this support, the price could break the 18. I don't see the divergence. At this point, to look for buy, we need to be quite careful. We even if we get any opportunity for buy, we should know how to manage it. And as I mentioned, what's the all-time high, 21 or 45? This is the big question. But for me, I believe as long as the price break 23 or tag 20, somewhere between 21, 22, and 23, if there is a breakout of the 23, then the continuation can be quite sharp. Okay, and I don't see the divergence, but at the same time, I don't see any trade setup. I prefer if the price consolidate here, or if I want to look for trade, we prefer to look at the lower time frame because based on daily chart, I don't see any trade setup. And if we move to forward chart, I don't see any trade setup. Having a trade above here or here, I will not suggest. I'm not really interested. Then how we can look for trade? How about if I move to 1 hour chart? Okay, even based on 1 hour chart, I don't see any trade setup. Whoever wants to look for trade by having a tree above this top, then it's better they put somewhere around here. Okay, as I mentioned, I'm not really interested. then we prefer to wait. Okay. Anyway, at this point, I want to see how sharp the price of the TRX can break 23 cent. Okay, somewhere between 22 and 23. Because with the breakout of the 23, then I'm looking for 29 cent. Okay, but what's the all-time high? This is the question. I cannot answer because based on Heat BTC, we have 45 cent, and I don't trust the Heat BTC at this point because I see a lot of the charts for the Heat BTC. I can say their chart is different from other exchanges. Okay, that's why whoever wants to look for trade for the TRX, uh, they should see the breakout of 23 to consider we can look for continuation. Okay, anyway, any opportunity for buy, still we can take it. And at this point, I don't see any trade setup. And again, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.